Welcome to this tutorial on how to create attractive blogs using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can help you generate high-quality content for your blog. In this video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create engaging blog content that will capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. Step 1. Choose a topic. The first step to creating an attractive blog is to choose a topic that your audience will be interested in. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your blog based on your niche or industry. Simply input a few keywords related to your niche, and ChatGPT will generate a list of topic ideas for you to choose from. Step 2. Generate content. Once you have a topic for your blog, it's time to start generating content. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. Simply input your topic into ChatGPT, and it will generate a list of paragraphs or ideas related to your topic. You can use these ideas as a starting point for your blog post, or use them to supplement your own writing. Step 3. Copy and paste it to Blogger. Before that, we check the number of words generated using word counter. After pasting, it shows the number of words generated. Suppose if you want more words to be generated, then slightly change the prompt you have given. Once you have given the command, the ChatGPT will regenerate the content again. Now open Blogger and paste the content. Step 4. Add visual content. For adding visual content, you can use images and videos. After adding the images, Step 5. Publish and promote. Once you're happy with your blog post, it's time to publish and promote it. Share your blog post on social media. Email it to your subscribers and encourage your audience to share it with their networks. The more you promote your blog post, the more likely it is to attract readers and generate engagement. Creating an attractive blog post doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the help of ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality content quickly and easily. By following these steps, you can create engaging blog posts that will capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. So what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT to create attractive blog posts today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.